Hello all, welcome to NEET Helper 2020 and this is a preparation guidelines, a 50 days study plan to crack the NEET exam. Here we go. What are you going to learn from this video? General instructions for preparation, cracking NEET in 50 days, a detailed syllabus through NCERT books, subject and unit wise. Shall we see what we must do before the preparation? Keep syllabus handy. Before you go in detail to the chapters, you must know about NEET syllabus well and have it on fingertips. Collection of topics to focus. Here, you have to divide your strength and weakness of your topics, and of course, weaker topics should be focused in first place. Study materials collection. Other than your school materials, you also have to read and practice from other resources such as author books and online PDF, which will help you to score really well. Study plan. Have a clear cut plan. We will also guide you how to plan on the same video. Need sample papers, previous year question paper and mock test collection. This can be collected from others like seniors or through your network, or you can also download it from online as well. You have all the informations and details. Now you are ready for the preparations, right? During preparation, remember always meditation will keep you calm and relaxed from the internal and external forces. Be confident. You have to live along with this throughout your life. This is the first step to take you to the next level. Stay hydrated, eat healthy. Without keeping you healthy, you cannot sustain and move further. So feed for your stomach too. Sleep well, which means a deep sleep, which will help you to prepare the next day morning. Prepare notes, take a key point, underline it with a bookmark. Note it separately for your frequent and quick reference because NEET is an objective type exam. Concentrate on your weaker section and remember, you also have to build your strength. How preparation is mandatory for the exam. Carrying the documents are also equally important. On the day of exam, please carry the following documents. Printout of NEET admit card, which can be expected 11th of July. A passport size photograph of at least 6 to 8 numbers. Better carry the same photo by the time you applied for NEET. Carry a valid proof of ID certificate if you are a person with a disability. Pen will be provided at the examination center, so please do not carry pen, pencil or eraser. A colored photograph with the size of 4 by 6 for about 5 to 6 numbers. Also remember, do not carry any unnecessary documents as instructed by NEET. Please visit the NTA website which is given below for your reference. Cracking NEET in 50 days? How is it possible? Yes, it is. Now we have only 50 days for the exam. If you have a very good study plan on daily basis, it will help you to get the good marks in NEET. Let us understand how this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 methodology works. 1 hour reading per subject per day, 2 hours weekly revision, 3 hours fortnight mini mock test, 4 hours monthly revision, 5 full mock tests. Here we go. 1 hour per subject per day. How it works? You have to study 1 hour per subject per day, which means 4 hours for 4 subjects: physics, chemistry, botany, and zoology, and revise the portions each subject for 15 minutes. Choose your favorite subject when you begin the day because that keeps you more energetic. Then you go to the next subject. So for 50 days you get 250 hours including revision. Now you know what is weekly revision, how that is going to help you. 2 hours weekly revision. Every week you have to revise all the 4 subjects for just 2 hours as total. 30 minutes per subject, so for 4 subjects just 2 hours you are going to spend. If you calculate for 7 weeks, you will get 14 hours. And remember, when you go for a revision, revise from the notes, key points which you have taken from the chapters, and also revise the whole chapters with a quick glance. Mini mock test for you every fortnight, which means Every 14 days once, you have to write a mini mock test which will be based on the portions you have covered so far. So you will get an opportunity to evaluate from your mini mock test score. Is that good? 4 hours monthly revision for 4 subjects, so you get 8 hours before you appear for NEET. As you gain from your daily weekly revision, and after 2 mini mock tests, you would have learnt where are you lagging. Please focus those chapters or portions in first place. Be happy your memory is storing all your key points and notes because of your continuous practices and revisions. And 5 full mock tests before you go for an exam, before the day you appear for an exam. From 21st to 25th of July, you do 5 hours full mock test every day. 3 hours for mock test. This should be exactly how you will write a NEET exam. Use a timer. After the test, 2 hours to revise the solution of mock test which you have written. We have matched the CBSE syllabus for chemistry with NEET syllabus. The following units you have to prepare from NCERT 11th standard part 1, and the units are unit 2 and unit 4 to unit 7. Here you have to prepare from part 2 chemistry from NCERT 11th standard, and the units are from unit 8 to unit 14. The following units you have to prepare for chemistry from NCERT 12th standard part 1, and the units are from unit 1 to unit 9. Here you have to prepare from part 2 chemistry from NCERT 12th standard, and the units are from unit 10 to unit 16. The following units you have to prepare for physics from NCERT 11th standard part 1, and the units are from unit 2 to unit 8. Here you have to prepare from part 2 physics from NCERT 11th standard, and the units are from unit 9 to unit 15. The following units you have to prepare for physics from NCERT 12th standard part 1, and the units are from unit 1 to unit 8. Here you have to prepare from part 2 physics from NCERT 12th standard, and the units are from unit 9 to unit 14. In biology, with a combination of botany and zoology, there are 24 chapters as total from 11th standard. Here we have chapter 1 to 11, and in the right side you can see the list of chapters matched with NEET syllabus. Here we have 11 more chapters from chapter 12 to chapter 22nd from 11th standard based on CBSE syllabus. There are 16 chapters from 12th standard as total. Here we have chapter 1 to chapter 8 based on CBSE syllabus, and in the right side you can see the list of chapters matched with the NEET syllabus. Here we have 8 more chapters from chapter 9 to chapter 16 which is matched with the NEET syllabus in the right side. Hence there are 38 chapters as total from 11th and 12th standard for biology. I hope you liked our video. In this video, we have described about the preparations and how to crack the NEET exam based on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 methodology. Since we had a general plan for 50 days, we will meet you in our next video on 50 days plan for each subject within a week. So please share your comments and thoughts and subscribe for our channel and like our video. We will meet you soon with our next video. Meanwhile, prepare well. Wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.